Hi Cancers, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Cancers, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, Cancers. If you want more clarity in your circumstances today, guys, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So, these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, guys. Cancers. So, let's start with these cards for your general energies. We have Tower, Chariot in reverse, and Seven of Wands in reverse. So, Cancers, in your circumstances today, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, guys, you are someone who is really a friendly person. You like to communicate with people, to speak openly with people, and you are not someone who wants to argue on anything. You are a very friendly person. And maybe today, maybe the way you are speaking the truth openly. That may lead you into some difficult circumstance today, guys. Maybe someone in your work is really hurt by the things you have told them, and they are coming and arguing with you, making your circumstance really, giving you a lot of stress, worries for you, or it may affect your work potential, the way things are going. And this may be totally unexpected, these arguments, or in your work situation or in your relationship, guys. There are unexpected changes happening. Maybe there may be some delays or suspensions. Maybe at the final moment of completion, certain projects or certain deals before closure may come to a halt. So, something which you never expected, it may give you a lot of worry, lot of anxiety in your circumstances. But Cancers, it is not your making, guys. Maybe some of you feel that you are the one at fault and you need to change yourself, or you feel that it is all your mistake, even in this relationship with this person you love. We have picked one card for your relationship, guys. It's Eight of Pentacles. So you feel that you have wronged them, and the reason for things going in such a way is your making, and you are feeling guilty for that, guilty for whatever you are feeling that you have done. But in reality, it is not your mistake, guys. You are accusing yourself falsely. So you need to be really, you need to be, even if it is your mistake, you need to forgive yourself and forget if you want to move forward into the future. So you have invested so much in this relationship. You have been good with this person, you have been truthful, honest, but there may be some circumstances, something giving you embarrassments, and you are feeling guilty because of that. So for some of you, it may not be your mistake, guys, but you are feeling guilty for the mistakes you never did. So if you want a positive change, you must first overcome these feelings of embarrassment and guilt in your circumstances, in your relationship, guys. So, for your career situation, guys, we have Temperance in reverse. So, for some of you, you are having clarity in your work situation regarding what needs to be done, and maybe your ideas may be different from someone's ideas. Maybe the people you work with, they may have a particular vision, or their point of view may be different from what you are thinking and planning. That may be the reason for some worries or some stressful circumstances in your career. But if you are able to speak to them and clear these doubts or confusions, whatever may arise, you are going to see your circumstance moving in a positive way, guys, Cancers. So that is the reading for you all today, Cancers. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Cancers. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys. So now let's start with the first card. So for those who chose this card, I will take this card aside, guys. So let's see what is the card for y'all. It is chop wood. So with this card, guys, the energy is that today maybe you are feeling really bored, or you feel that you don't have anything to do. So often in any relationship or friendship, there are periods of boredom and lulls. So you need to understand that this is the time for you to be really grounded. So nothing is important today than making simple tasks your focus. So whatever you do day to day, so even in this relationship, maybe you are you need to be aware of the things you are doing every day. It may be mundane things, something small, something simple, but you need to do it. You need to be there today, and that is what is going to make your relationship perfect. So doing simpler things together, just having a meal together, going for a walk together, simply reading a book together, maybe just staring into each other's eyes. So this may not be the time for action, but this is the time for us to have that space to breathe. So in your relationship, guys, this may be the time you need to take stock, understand each other, but just being together is what is important today, guys. Being present, being grounded in reality in your present situation. So everything is well, everything is going as it should be. Maybe this is not the time for you to move towards great dreams and goals, but to pay attention to the simpler tasks of your day-to-day life. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So maybe just spending time with this person you love, it's going to bring clarity and understanding, and it is going to help you to deepen this relationship, guys. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, we will see what it is. It is Puss in Boots, wit. So maybe today, in your circumstances, in your life, you need to be more, more free and use your skills and talents today. Maybe not wait for your dreams or goals to come towards you, but pursuing that actively, using your skills and using all the opportunities you have today. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So you need to be a genius today, using your intelligence and using your wits. So what needs to be done? You should do it using your the easiest way to do it. Maybe it may be something which you never implemented, but you should not leave any opportunity to achieve what you need to achieve, rather than waiting for those opportunities to come towards you. And maybe in your situation, there is a friend who is very charming and who is very clever, helping you out today, guys. And this is the time for you to optimize each and every opportunity you have, using your skills and intelligence and charm. So whatever opportunity it may be in your work or in your relationship, you are not going to let any opportunity go. You must try to use the best of any circumstance to achieve whatever you need to achieve, using your intelligence. So it should be something that should not hurt others, guys, in the process. So that is what I see with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for y'all. And you are moving into some new phase. You are feeling more cheerful and confident in yourself, and you will be feeling that way. That is what I see with this card, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this reading and if it resonates, guys, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.